so I'm gonna attempt to make this little video right now. I'm very disappointed with myself because the TaskRabbit job that I'm on right now would have been a pretty good job, I feel like, to kind of document and let you see, you know, us putting a little more skill to the moving type of category, moving jobs, moving tasks. I feel like too often people kind of underestimate the skill that's required with moving jobs and think of, you know, the Planet Fitness, I lift things up and put things down, and think that's like the extent of it. And while there might be some very heavy items that don't require much kind of strategic planning as to how you're gonna move it, you know, there are certainly situations where it is required, it is needed. Even sometimes with packing my cargo van, you want to maximize all the space. Like, I don't want any space left if they have items. In this case, it's pretty packed. There's a little space up here on the top, but we didn't leave any items behind, so that space is fine. So, you know, today's job would have, I don't know, it would have been perfect in terms of being able to just kind of let you guys get a glimpse of a wide variety of skills that are required with some moving jobs. But in any case, the GoPro is obviously running. Still got some juice, and I could just throw it here like this. I could have did this probably with it at the house instead of having it on the tripod, but it's all good. Have another 2 jobs today. One TaskRabbit, one direct. It should be a good, busy, productive day, what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm always excited for, you know, these fun day Sundays where I can make some pretty good money. And today is no different. So we're gonna keep it moving.